Alright guys, this just in, we got a package from our favorite diecastmanshop.com. Can't wait to open it up, so let's go ahead and use our trusty knife and see what's inside. Alright, pretty stoked about this one, guys. Let's see what we have inside. Good old box. Oh man, here we go from GreenLight. Oh, I've never seen these before. Oh, no way. Dude, we got this awesome edition right here. Check this out, guys. The 2007 Shelby GT500. This is an absolute beauty. Man, I will say this is gorgeous. Look at the proportions, the accuracy of this tooling. This is just wicked nice. Man, alright, so there's that one, and let's see what number 2 is. Oh, we got it in white and black, but this one is the 2007 GT500 Super Snake. That is an awesome looking Shelby right here. I mean, you even have the blue calipers down to the detail of the red inserted seats on the interior. That is awesome. GreenLight did a phenomenal job on this one, along with the red one. And I will say the interior on this one is just as clean. You got the red inserts, you even have the red calipers. That's the detail we love. And of course, seeing them on a Mustang that we can add to the collection, that is definitely a huge bonus for this one, along with this. So if you guys want to check out some more or add these to your collection, check out diecastmanshop.com. But we got to take off these plastic cases so we can look at them in closer detail. So let's go ahead and do that. There we go, guys. Talk about a beautiful piece right here. There we go. Love the display of this one. I mean, the paint down to the details of the lenses. That is just gorgeous. Oh man, they did a great job on this. That is an absolute beauty. All right, let's get the GT500 Super Snake out of its prison. So here we go. Let's go ahead and unbox this one. There we go, guys. Talk about gorgeous right here. Love the acrylic case. Of course, the base alone just gives it a really nice, just overall unique, and man, this looks nice. This one is definitely a beautiful piece as well. Love the white and black theme. I mean, anything of this caliber is just gorgeous. You got the giant Super Snake in the grill. God, that is nice. All right, here we go. 2 beauties going into the collection, courtesy of diecastmanshop.com. If you want to add these to your collection, be sure to swing on over. Let them know we sent you.